guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Archituber. I'm architect Webby and I make content related to architecture and interiors. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. And in this video, we are going to be discussing about the stunning masterpiece by none other than the queen of the curves, Zaha Hadid. You might have seen from the title already, but in this video, we are discussing about the London Aquatics Centre. Please stay till the very end, and without wasting more time, let's get into the video and let's start with the case study. So now let's begin with the London Aquatics Centre PPT. Now discussing about the project details. So this beautiful iconic building is designed by none other than architect Zaha Hadid. The project is London Aquatics Centre and it is located in London, UK. Okay, it was designed for the 2012 Summer Olympics and the future use. Now let's discuss about the site and area. The site area is 36,875 meters square, whereas the seating area is 7,352 meters square. And this particular building has two modes, the one being legacy mode and the one being Olympic mode. Okay, so there are different types of size areas as per the modes. Okay, so talking about the legacy mode, the basement has 3,725 meters square, whereas the ground floor covers 15,137 meters square and the first floor covers 10,168 meters square. Whereas in Olympics, the basement is 3,725 meters square, same as the legacy. Coming to the ground floor is 15,402 meters square. Then the first floor has 16,387 meters square, which has the temporary seatings. Okay, so the footprint area in the legacy mode, it has 15,950 meters square, whereas in Olympic the footprints are 21,897 meters square. Okay, coming to the site location and the site plan. So as you can see in the closer look of the map, the aquatic center is planned on an orthogonal axis that is perpendicular to the Stratford City Bridge. All three pools are aligned on this axis. The training pool is located under the bridge with the competition, and the diving pools located within the large pool halls enclosed by the roof. The overall strategy was to frame the base of the pool as a podium connected to the Stratford City Bridge. Okay, the concept: the aquatic center is designed with an inherent flexibility to accommodate 17,500 spectators for the London 2012 games in Olympic mode, while also providing the optimum spectator capacity of 2,000 for use in the legacy mode after the games. Its principal shape within the detachable wings of seating is like water in motion, creating spaces and surrounding environment that reflects the riverside landscape of the Olympic Park. Its roof sweeps up from the ground as a wave enclosing the spaces within the structure. Now let's discuss in detail about the Olympic mode, the plans of the Olympic mode and the elevation. Coming on to the ground floor. Okay, so let us start with the ground floor Olympic mode plan. So the first one is the main competition pool, the second one being the diving pool, the third indicates training pool with athletes lounge, okay, and the fifth indicates physio and massage area. Whereas on the 6th we have athletes change, whereas 7th has doping control. On to the 8th we have athletes final call room. On the 9th we have divers warm-up room. 10th we have timing and result control room. And 11th has athlete mix zone. So talking about the circulation, the red line shows the visitor circulation, whereas the black line shows the athlete circulation. Now coming on to the first floor. Okay, so on the first floor we have main competition pool and the diving pool. Okay, on to the west side we have the Olympic family lounge with the plaza bridge, and on to the east side we have main entrance stairs on the 5th number. The 6th shows concourse area and the 7th numbers are showing the toilets all around the Olympic mode on the first floor, and the 8th shows concessions. Okay, talking about the circulation, the red line shows the visitor circulation. So the first floor can be used by the visitor. So now talking about the second floor. You can see the main competition pool and diving pool from the second floor. Then it has the mezzanine wheelchair seating on the third number. The fourth and fifth indicates the wing seatings with general spectator stand and the media and spectator stand. Now let's discuss about the section. So when you see the section in the center on the ground floor, you can see the competition pool and we can see the spectator stands on the both side of the pool. Okay, so the pool hall is expressed above the podium by a large roof which arches along the same axis as the pools. Double curvature geometry has been used to generate a parabolic arch structure that creates the unique characteristics of the roof. The roof undulates the differentiate between the volume of competition's pool and the diving pool. So until now we discussed about the Olympic mode. Now let's discuss about the legacy mode plans and the elevation. So now discussing about the ground floor of the legacy mode. So in the legacy mode we have the main competition pool, the diving pool, the training pool. On the fourth we have our entrance. Okay, from the south we have our entrance. The fifth one being our competition side changing village. Okay, on to the sixth we have pre-swim showers. Okay, then seventh has training side changing village. On the eighth we have creche. It is nothing but a sports hall. Okay, on to the ninth we have cafe kitchen. 10th we have swim tech area. Then 11 we have timing control room. On the 12th we have the plant room and the 13th we have chiller plant room. So on the first floor we have the main competition pool and the diving pool that we can see from the first floor. Then the third one being the upper welcome zone. Fourth is a spectator seating and fifth is a plaza bridge. Now let's discuss about the both Olympic and legacy modes. So your first building is legacy building and the second mode is your Olympic mode. Okay, so the legacy mode has basement floor, ground floor and first floor, whereas your Olympic mode has basement floor, ground floor, first floor and the second floor. On the second floor you have the temporary seatings like wings and the spectator stands for the extra accommodation. To accommodate the audience of the Olympic Games while also planning ahead to the legacy conversion stage of the London Games, a temporary stand was built on either sides of the Aquatics Centre. These temporary stands raised the seating capacity from 2,500 people to 17,500 during the Games. The temporary stand took the form of two wings, one on the either side of the building. The seating stands were made of steel framework with PVC sheeting making up the majority of the facade. The angle of the seating gave spectators a clear view of both pools despite the belly of the roof dipping between the stands. Now talking about the structure and the materials. The facade of the Aquatics Centre was carefully chosen to complement the graceful curvature of its geometry. The final choice of red laurel was chosen for the two key reasons. In terms of durability, the wood is highly moisture resistant and has naturally occurring oils that deters insects and fungi. The second reason is that when weathered, the wood takes on the reddish grey color that was desirable to give continuity from the metal grey sheets of aluminium that made the top of the roof. Let's discuss about this picture which has the roof sketch. So it has aluminium substructure with internal steel structure with the external cladding of fluorogamella boards backed with acoustic insulation and thermal insulation. Okay, resist with downlight housing and the internal cladding of gamella veneer bridge ply with acoustic backing. Okay. Talking about the internal roofing, the Aquatic Centre ceiling is composed of 138 petals of Barisol acoustic lighting using the Barisol star rail system. Now talking about the external facade, in total an impressive 628 panels of glass and 8 external doors have been installed in the London Aquatics Centre, allowing the lots of natural light into the pool. These are some of the details that you can go through. And I hope I have given all the information regarding London Aquatics Centre. But if you have any queries, please do let me know in the comment section below. Also, suggestions are welcome in the comments below. And you know the drill, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for the more videos and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.